Greetings, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're ready to embark on a journey towards becoming a test automation expert using Selenium, you're in for a treat.
In today's video, we're going to introduce you to the best Selenium training institute in Electronic City, Bangalore, eMexo Technologies. Whether you're an IT professional, an aspiring test automation engineer, a software testing enthusiast, a tech aficionado, a business leader, a student, or someone looking to switch careers, this video is tailor-made for you. Let's dive right in.
Nestled in the heart of Electronic City, Bangalore, eMexo Technologies is your gateway to Selenium expertise.
But what makes eMexo stand out as the top choice for Selenium training in the region? Let's explore.
When it comes to Selenium training, expertise is the cornerstone. At eMexo Technologies, we are known for our profound expertise in Selenium. With years of experience and a proven track record, we stand as a symbol of excellence in the field. eMexo offers a diverse range of comprehensive Selenium courses, designed to cover every aspect of this powerful test automation tool. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to enhance your Selenium skills, we have the perfect course for your learning journey.
We firmly believe that experienced instructors make all the difference. Our Selenium experts are more than teachers. They are mentors who guide you through the intricacies of Selenium, sharing real-world experiences and preparing you for success in the world of test automation.
At eMexo Technologies, we don't just teach theory, we emphasize hands-on learning. You'll apply your Selenium knowledge through practical projects and real-world scenarios, gaining the hands-on experience that sets you apart in the competitive field of test automation.
Whether you are an IT professional looking to upskill, an aspiring test automation engineer on the path to excellence, a software testing enthusiast hungry for knowledge, a business leader in need of Selenium expertise, a student aiming for a bright future, or a career changer exploring new opportunities, eMexo Technologies is your stepping stone to Selenium success.
Don't miss this fantastic opportunity to master Selenium with eMexo Technologies. Visit our website www.emexotechnologies.com or call us today at +91 95132164662 to embark on your Selenium learning journey. eMexo Technologies, the best Selenium training institute in Electronic City, Bangalore. Thank you for watching. Reach us on www.emexotechnologies.com +91 95132164662.